Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw your Dogecoin from Revolut to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with the evolving landscape of digital currencies. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to make the process straightforward, so you can do it confidently without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have a Revolut account with Dogecoin in it and that your Arculus wallet is set up and ready to receive funds. Arculus is a secure hardware wallet that's perfect for storing crypto like Dogecoin, so if you haven't got one yet, it's worth checking out. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Revolut app on your phone and log in. Navigate to the Crypto section, where you'll see your Dogecoin balance. Tap on it to access your options. Step 2. Select the Withdraw or Send button for Dogecoin. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details, including the amount you want to transfer. Remember, always double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Now, switch over to your Arculus wallet app or device. Generate and copy your Dogecoin wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful not to mix it up. Step 4. Back in Revolut, paste this address into the recipient field. Make sure it's exactly correct because crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including any fees involved. In 2025, fees might vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Once you're happy, confirm the withdrawal. After that, you'll see a confirmation screen, and the transaction will be sent to the blockchain. Step 6. Wait for the transfer to complete. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Dogecoin network. Once it's done, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. A few quick tips to keep things safe. Always use two-factor authentication on both apps, never share your wallet address publicly, and be wary of phishing scams. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from Revolut to Arculus wallet in 2025. It's easier than you think once you know the steps. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.